Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, you will get the steps to connect Sonos Era 300 smart speakers to Wi-Fi. After this, you can easily access this device with Alexa or as a smart home devices. Let's start. Place your Era 300 in your desired location and connect it to power. Era 300 should be placed indoors and have approximately 2 feet of overhead clearance for optimal sound quality. Placement in an enclosed space like a bookshelf is not recommended as this could impact dispersion and playback clarity. If you are mounting Era 300 within 2 feet of a ceiling, place it upside down for the best sound. Don't position Era 300 vertically or at a steep angle or the audio will stop. Download the Sonos app on your iOS or Android device. Select speaker or component, then create or sign in to your Sonos account. Follow the instructions to add your Sonos Era 300 smart speakers into the app. Here, you can easily get the connection process. You required an SSID and password for the connection. If you are facing any trouble to connect with the Alexa or Wi-Fi, or you need our technical assistance, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching the complete video.